Hey friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead. Back again. I'm sorry I've been gone so long. Oh my gosh, I've been busy working. Well, now I've been home for a couple of weeks, so there's no reason why I can't do a video. So today, I'm going to show you how I put together homemade brown sugar. We'll see you in a minute. We're back, and this, I'm going to show you, if I don't spill it, this is the Lyle's Black Treacle that my friend gave me to make some brown sugar with. It's supposed to be a little bit stronger than blackstrap molasses, and of course I always use blackstrap molasses because I love that flavor. But with this, because it's a little bit stronger, he says to use 1 tablespoon to 1 cup instead of 2 to 1. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you that, and then we'll see how well this turns out. So let me slide this over here. So you can see I got 4 cups of sugar in here. And then we're going to take a 1/4 cup of the treacle and pour it in here. And I put just a little bit of spray in here to make it so it comes out just a little bit easier, but it doesn't seem to be doing any good. Okay, so get rid of that. Okay, now we're going to mix this up and find out if we've got too much in here, if it flies all over. Okay, and we're just going to start mixing it. I don't know, I think I'm going to mix it for about 5 minutes or so, but you can see, and I have never used it. This is the first time I've done this one, so we're going to try it and see if it works or if it's a fail. I just made brown sugar the other day with regular molasses, and it turned out fantastic, but I always do when I get low. I use it in my chocolate chip cookies. I haven't bought store-bought brown sugar in ages. But, okay, I'm just going to let this run for about 5 to 7 minutes and then scrape down a little bit of the sides, and I'll be back when it's all done. I'll show you real quick. I scraped down the sides after about 3 minutes, and it's looking pretty good. Pretty full. Maybe I should have only used 3 cups instead of 4, but that's all right. We'll make it work. And I'll turn it back on and let it go for about another 4 minutes, and then as you can see, I had to switch mixers, or I had to switch to my mixer. I had too much, way too much in my processor. But if you're going to use 1 cup or maybe 2 cups, that would work. But I had to move it into my big mixer. Let the big girl take care of it. So here we go. I'm going to finish mixing it, and I just wanted to let you know that it works for a little bit amounts, but anything more than that you might want in your regular mixer. And I just got the regular paddle in here. I don't have the spatula paddle. I don't ever use that, but I'll just let it mix here for a little bit, and I'll be back when it's done. I am back, and I should have took this off. That's it. I mixed it for about 6-7 minutes, and it turned out, as you can see, beautiful and moist. Oh, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So now I'm just going to show you. I put it in my jars, and then I vacuum seal it in the jar, and it stays wonderful. And by the way, I tasted it, and it really tastes good. It is even better than what I made with regular blackstrap molasses. So I know in future I'll continue to get this. He gave me this jar, bless his heart. Thank you, Dave. And I'll get more, and I'll use this all the time. And I can't believe how nice and moist this turned out. Really nice stuff. Good quality. And I just used plain old white sugar. But there you are. Isn't that beautiful? So there you go, folks. That's how you make brown sugar out of black treacle. And it's wonderful. It works. And enjoy. See you next time, and thanks for watching.